Hey y'all, I said y'all, Sultry Farmer here. Hey, wanted to just show you the chicken coop here. Kind of turned upside down a little bit this morning. We had a lot of rain yesterday and last night, and it's still raining, and it's expected to rain the next day or two here in Oklahoma, northeast Oklahoma. But take a look. This is not what I was hoping to see. You know, we've got water, electrical cords. They're not plugged in, but yeah, you know, that's the most water right there. And it's all coming in out here due to a drainage issue. I mean, we had rain more than this a couple, I don't know, a month and a half ago or so. And it wasn't, we didn't get this. It wasn't even wet in here. For whatever reason, everything's wet everywhere now. Yep. Pigs got into that chicken feed. It happens. Anyways, as you can see, it's pretty wet out back. The pond is full, which it never is. You know, everything's just, you can see the water just, you know, pooled up all over the place. Let's go inside the chicken coop here, the other chicken coop. I'll show you. In here, did much better. Much better, but it's windy. You can hear it. And I want to take you down to the chicken coop. I can't turn my phone off though. So I'm going to go all the way to the other chicken coop real quick, and we'll take a look at what happened to the new chicks in there, in the other chicken coop. Let's go take a look. Get there without getting my phone soaking wet. Whoops. All right. There we go. Look at that. Look at this water right here. That's from Christmas morning. Now, I wasn't expecting this. That kind of caught me off guard. I was getting ready for Christmas and doing a bunch of other stuff, and I wasn't paying attention to the weather. I mean, look at this. Water just pooled up all the way down there. That pond, I don't think I've ever seen it that full, ever. It's sitting on top of a bunch of limestone, and you know, nothing, water doesn't hold, it just seeps through the limestone. Anyway, let's go inside. Take a look. Yeah. See how wet that is? It's all soaked. Look at this. Look at that. Look where my chickies were at. That's not good. Listen to that wind, huh? Yeah, it's a little windy. But this is Oklahoma. So I got up this morning and I thought I'd take a look, you know, because I knew it wasn't going to be, I knew there was going to be something I'd have to do, but I wasn't expecting this. This is not what I was hoping for. Good Lord. I even, I put those tub tops there. I put them there last night because it was starting to get wet. You know, this was starting to creep in, and I thought, well, I'll put them someplace where they can at least get out of the water. And even that didn't work. I mean, that's how wet it got. You know, I don't think it's as wet now as it was at some point. But so I ended up taking this big old tub and putting the chicks in the tub. And look at them. Recovering. They're recovering from a hard night. But look, everybody made it except for one. I don't know what happened, but one chick didn't make it. And that's 1 out of 98. I had 100. One died on the way, and one of them I think my dog got. That's 2. And one died last night due to this. I don't want to say unforeseen. I just kind of didn't do it right. You know, this is my first biggest mistake, but it wasn't catastrophic. I didn't, you know, it wasn't a big loss. The chicks are alive, and they're warm. They never got cold. They stayed warm. And I think they would have stayed warm. I don't think it really would have mattered. I mean, and they could have drowned it, but that may have that might have been what happened to that one chick. Because, you know, they'll lay down and, you know, they'll just die. You know? The chickens, you know, that's what they'll do. Anyway, here you go. There they be. Look at them all cozied up, getting warm. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'm going to take that blue tarp and I'm going to drape it over the top of this and hope that my greenhouse don't blow away, you know. I mean, I don't think it will, but you never know. That's how I roll, though, you know. You do what you can, you do the best you can, and you hope for the best. There's always something that could go wrong. I look at it like this. Worst case scenario, I fall over dead from a heart attack right now. That's the worst case scenario for me. I mean, there are worse things that could happen, but anything else other than that, you know, it's not bad. I don't complain about this. I'm not upset about it. You know, I'm okay with it. This is part of the deal, you know. If you're gonna farm, this is what you're gonna have to. You will run into these situations. You're going to lose animals. You're going to have, you know, things happen that you don't want to happen. Yep. But all in all, I'm not disappointed. I'm pretty happy. A little wet. And a little soggy. Anyways, I'm going to finish this. I'll put the tarp back on. I'll put the tarp over the top, and they'll stay nice and cozy. They ain't going to have no problem in here. For sure. There you go, folks. 97 red rock, well, red broilers. Piled up. And they're piled because they were cold and wet. But, you know, for chicks that are 3, how old are they now? They were born on the 21st. A week old. Yeah. They're little. All right, Hoagie Farmer, signing out. Later on. Bye.